I want to say a few points about what I encounter when I coach people that have e-commerce businesses. And I often recommend selling on e-commerce sites, and I often get kind of this first wall of resistance. Just like with the grout business in the very beginning, like years ago, I had that argument where I was like, it's easier to sell from Amazon than your site. Focus on Amazon. And the founder was like, no, I gotta sell on my site. And there was people note all these problems with Amazon, or in your case, it might be Etsy, or it might be eBay, or it might be another, these big retailer sites versus their own little small sites where they sell from. And they can say, oh, Amazon imposes some really strict rules. There's a lot of competition on Amazon. There's large commissions they take from you, all these problems. But at the end of the day, Amazon is the biggest store in the world. Etsy is one of the biggest stores in the world. They can get you a flood of sales. And this flood of sales, as you've seen right here, did wonders for this entrepreneur. Wonders. I mean, it transformed his life many times over. And that, you cannot argue with that. It is competitive. Yes, they do take commission. Yes, they impose rules. Yes, they can kick you out at any time. Yes, you are putting some eggs in your basket, kind of, not really, because even if you sold on your site, you'd still be putting all the eggs in one basket. So that argument doesn't really hold water, even though sometimes people tell me that. But you see the problems, mostly the people note, yes, they are correct, but they're small in relation to what you can get from Amazon. And what you can get from Amazon is so big that you've got to be on it if you are in the e-commerce business. And surprisingly, many first-time entrepreneurs undervalue what Amazon can bring to them. And that's the point of this particular video, is that no, don't undervalue it. Give it your full attention. You might be very, very pleasantly surprised many years out, and you'll look back at it and you're like, wow, that was life-changing. And that's what this video is about. Give it a good try.